In a quiet town, nestled between the hills and the sea, lived a girl named Molly. She was unlike any other, for she could hear a melody only she could discern. One day, the townsfolk gathered, their faces filled with worry. The town's beloved clock had stopped, and no amount of tinkering could fix it. The town was in disarray without the rhythm of the clock. Molly, hearing the silence, walked to the clock tower. She placed her ear against the cold, metallic body and listened. In the silence, she heard a faint, beautiful melody. She climbed the tower, the townsfolk watching in awe. With a gentle touch, she adjusted a tiny mechanism hidden within. The clock sprung to life, its chimes echoing through the town. The townsfolk rejoiced, but Molly, she stood alone, a slight smile on her face. The melody she had heard was not from the clock, but its silence. It was the silence that allowed her to hear the world's hidden symphony. From that day forward, Molly was not just a girl who heard an unheard melody. She was a reminder that sometimes, the most beautiful music comes from silence. And in her quiet, unassuming way, Molly taught the town the importance of listening, truly listening, to the world around them.